Well, I'm here with the champions. What an effort, Bobby Reynolds. Let's start with the best for last, I should say. You won it there in the end. It was pretty pressure-packed. What do you think?
I don't know if I would say best for last, by the way. I think the team gave me an unbelievable lead, and you know, I don't know how many match points I had, but hopefully nobody was counting. But you know, it's unbelievable, the team, what they've done, and they've given me a lead every night, over and over and over again. And I just go out there and fight and try to keep it close, and then just win my one game. That's it, and it happened.
The owner, Mark Ein, head coach Murphy Jensen, the second time you guys have won this event. What do you think about winning it 2 times now?
Well, you know, not just winning it, but finishing the season with a perfect record, which has never been done before, is a gigantic tribute to team. This is all about team. That's what this league is about. It's about every one of these individuals. It's about our coach. It's about our fans. This is a team effort to make history tonight.
Historic win. What do you think, Coach Jensen?
I do everything here for Mark Ein and this team. This is the greatest team I've ever been part of. I mean, honest to God, the best on the planet.
Well, congratulations, the Washington Capitals, setting history, undefeated, and champions here tonight in Charleston, WTT champions. Congratulations to Washington.